Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an intro video without using any software or without using any PC. You can make this kind of intro video using your mobile phone or PC browsers. So in this video we're not going to use any After Effects or any other software. So before starting this video, let's have a look what we'll create today. So this is the animation we're going to make in this video. So to make this video we are using a website called Render First. I will put the link of this website in my video description. So go to video description and enter this link, open your browser, then go to this link and you will find the interface like this. And from here you need to create a account first. So sign up here, then login, and after that go to at the end of this website and find YouTube intro maker, then just click on it, and after that you need to choose a template for your video. So just click on this create your intro, and from here you can choose a template for your intro video. There are lots of template here. You can choose according to your mind that what you like. So I'm going to use this glitch logo. So I'm going to click on this, and now this is the preview of this video. Let's see. So after that just click on this create now button, and here you need to upload your logo. So just click on this add button and you can upload from your PC. Select your logo, then just open it. I have already imported, so I'm going to use this media library and I'm going to choose this logo and click insert, and you can adjust the logo size from here and click on done. By the way, you can also add logo by your URL, or you can create a logo in it. Now we need to add our text here, so click on this type your text here, and I'm going to type my name. And then wait a few seconds. So this is the logo, and you can change the font size from here, and you can change the any font from this option. So I'm going to with default one. Then you can click on this look to see the preview, or you can just click on this preview button. So here you need to subscription. So if you want to render it 720 pixel or 1080 pixel full HD, then you need to buy their subscription. To buy this subscription, just click on this HD export, but for this tutorial I'm going with free one, 360 pixel. Then click on this preview option, and it will say that processing your intro video, and here we need to wait a few minutes. By the way, if you are still not subscribed my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. So after finishing the render, you will find your intro video like this. So you can see the preview from here. Just click on this play button. So this is the logo animation. So now we need to download this. You can just click on this and then select your resolution. Then you can click on this download button, then choose your folder and click start download. It will download your intro video. So this is how you can make an intro video without using any software or without using any PC. So from here you can also make your logo, any video, and you can also make some kind of graphics project. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then make sure that you have subscribed my channel and share this video with your friend. Thank you so much for watching.